Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We'll set the parking brake, see if she can work. It appears it does. Yes, it does. Start her up. It's an 88, so it's fuel injected. See, a little over 3/4 tank of fuel, 15 pounds of oil pressure, cold as you can see, and looks like it's charging. It's an air truck. There's the blower motor working. There's your radio. Dome light works. Horn works. Wipers work. Oh, just check the blinkers. It's like our blinkers work. Runs good. About 145 on it for mileage. Your headlights. Just a single light unit because it's custom deluxe. Silverado's hit gold. And the taillights work. So I think everything works on it. Except for the air. Belt, I don't know if compressor's bad or what, but we'll take a look at that and see what that is. Any questions? 605-695-7391.